Welcome to our channel Zama Cartoons.
Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn about green vegetables. Green vegetables make us healthy, strong, and full of energy. Let's explore 30 yummy and healthy green veggies together.
Spinach. Spinach. Spinach is full of iron. It makes you strong like Popeye. Broccoli. Broccoli. Broccoli looks like a little tree. It is very good for your brain and bones. Cabbage. Cabbage. Cabbage has many green leaves. It keeps your stomach healthy. Broccoli. Broccoli. Kale is a superfood. It gives you energy and vitamins. Lettuce. Lettuce. Lettuce is crunchy and fresh. It's perfect in salads and sandwiches. Peas. Peas. Peas are small green balls. They're sweet and yummy to eat. Green beans. Green beans. Green beans are long and thin. They are good for your heart. Zucchini. Zucchini. Zucchini is a soft green vegetable. It tastes great when cooked. Cucumber. Cucumber. Cucumber is cool and juicy. It keeps your body fresh in summer. Okra. Okra. Okra is sticky inside. It helps in digestion and is fun to eat. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts. These look like tiny cabbages. They are full of healthy vitamins. Bell pepper. Bell pepper. Green peppers are crunchy. They add color and taste to food. Bitter. Bitter. It tastes bitter but is very healthy. It cleans your blood. Celery. Celery. Celery is long and crunchy. It is good for snacks with peanut butter. Asparagus. Asparagus. Asparagus looks like green sticks. It makes your bones strong. Mustard greens. Mustard greens. These are spicy green leaves. They are good for the winter season. Collard greens. Collard greens. Collard greens are big leafy vegetables. They give you lots of calcium. Swiss chard. Swiss chard. Swiss chard has colorful stems and green leaves. It keeps your heart healthy. Arugula. Arugula. Arugula has a peppery taste. It makes salads exciting. Dill leaves. Dill leaves. Dill is a green herb. It adds flavor to food and helps digestion. Green chilies. Green chilies. Green chilies are spicy. They make food hot and tasty. Green onions. Green onions. These are young onions with green stalks. They are tasty in soups. Watercress. Watercress. Watercress grows in water. It is fresh and full of nutrients. Mint leaves. Mint leaves. Mint leaves are cool and refreshing. They are used in juices and chutneys. Parsley. Parsley. Parsley is a green herb. It makes food look and taste better. Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd is light and watery. It keeps your body cool.
Great job, kids! Today we learned about 30 green vegetables that keep us strong and happy.
Subscribe our channel Zama Cartoons.